Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, June the 8th. Well, more indecisive trading. If we look at the market, we're trading in a congestion area and we're having a lot of difficulty closing up above this area of resistance. We're trading within this zone and we've identified this zone a fair while ago. We held as resistance on this occasion here, broke out of the descending triangle to the upside, and we're now having trouble closing up above this zone. If we do take that out substantially, 1,000 is not beyond what this market can do, but we need to take that out. Now, the good thing about this market is that it's not retracing. We've had a very, very strong uptrend here, a rest in the market, which is this consolidation area, trying to trade up through this area, and we're congesting within the area. If that area was going to hold, I'd say that we probably would have retraced by now. The fact that we're forming a congestion area within this zone of resistance means that the probability is that there will eventually be an upside breakout. Now, there are no guarantees to that, but generally what you'd see is a retracement. Now, we do, though, have a second time frame downtrend again. We have a lower high and a lower low, but we're having a series of lower highs, lower lows, higher highs, higher lows within this range, which is what you'd expect when the market's going sideways. Now, the candle for the day was indecisive. This wasn't a market that wanted to go down. It wasn't necessarily a market that wanted to go up either. If we look at the shadows on either end, they're quite long, which means that there was very strong upside rejection from these levels here, and strong downside rejection as the market tried to trade up through the top of this resistance zone. Very small body, which means that there's been very little net gain on the day by the bulls or the bears. So neither side really wants to take control of this market. Now, if we look at our Ichimoku indicators, we have the Tenkan Sen on top and the Kijun Sen on the bottom, which means that the market is still bullish. The Tenkan Sen is pointing up, which is a good sign. It means that the market still has some sort of upside momentum, but the Kijun Sen is flat. Now, that could be a bit of a danger for us. When the Kijun Sen goes flat, it tells us that the market's congesting, which we know, but there's a tendency for the market to want to pull back to a flat Kijun Sen. So there can be a danger of that happening. Now, we should find support at the Tenkan Sen if we do pull back towards this area from the zone of resistance, and then at the Kijun Sen. Now, we're trading up above both the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen, and we're also trading above the cloud. So overall bullish, but just a bit of a brief rest in the market. This will resolve either way fairly soon.